Hi, this is Young Lee from Smart Art. Today's drawing is about a guy with a beanie and hood. I saw this reference and thought that I want to show you how I work on clothes and fabric. This reference has a beanie on his head and he's wearing a hoodie. So I want to show you how I work on the knitted hat and wrinkled cloth with a note. I'm not going to draw them like a photorealistic, but it's quite resemble and familiar in our eyes as they are our everyday items. So it's not very difficult actually to draw once you notice there are patterns that repeat over. As it's a portrait drawing, so enjoy the process of the face and neck making, and probably we meet at the part of the beanie and the hood. Everyone knows about this pattern, which is knitted wool. You will see the repeated pattern. In this case, you will see the niches regularly on the forehead of the hat. We don't have to make the same exact number of the gap on the drawing, but the best way is we start at one point and go to the left and right with the same distance. There is cropped part which is alongside the forehead, and also the wrinkled part like the upper part of the ear. So we have to make the lines which align to the form of the hat. Inside of the gap is a bit dark because it has shadow, and also the shadow on forehead can be aligned to the form of the pattern. So now we are going to make these small wrinkles on the hood, and these are not that regular like the hat. These small wrinkles can be made very freely and naturally, even you don't have to look at the reference. However, they shouldn't be exaggerated and made too many. Also, pay attention of the stitch lines and sewing lines. They can be added as a decorative element, and it looks very natural. So now is the note. We see the notes everywhere, like on the shoes and on clothes. You have to take a look carefully before you start drawing, and you analyze the pattern and also the structure. If you keep enough darkness under the band of the note and make a very deep shadow, the note is going to be popping up very well because of the shadow, and will be separated from the cloth. The clothing items are usually made from the fabrics, and the fabrics are foldable, and they can be cropped. Then the form can be changed, and we should make a very strong, dark and thin lines between the folded layers of the fabrics. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!